In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to remove duplicate values from a column in Microsoft Excel. So this is a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So if we're looking just to remove any duplicate values, so if it has any numbers that appear more than once, this tutorial will show it how to remove it. This is pretty simple. However, if you want to be more specific about removing specific row information, this tutorial really is not about that. It's more so if you just have a single list of numbers and you're looking to remove any duplicate numbers shown. So in order to do that, we're just going to highlight the row. So I'm going to select my B row here, just left click on B one time, and then I'm going to left click on the Data tab, and then I'm going to left click on Remove Duplicates. So we currently have selected column B, left click on OK, and you can see 7 duplicate values were found and 21 unique values remain. So very simple tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.